guys, we're back with another video after a week. I apologize for missing last week. I had tests, quizzes, and presentations. I couldn't record. I was busy with that all week, and also it was Thanksgiving, so I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. We are going to be restoring my Foglights just because they're a little bit yellow, and they're about $50 to $80 I think I've seen online. So before I order new ones, I want to see if I could restore these and kind of keep these nice, I guess you could say. Because they don't look like that. They're kind of hazy, and I want to get that fixed. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Not stress this enough. If you guys are not subscribed already to the channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 4,000. We're working on the merch for you guys with some cool designs I don't want to drop. Something that not too many will like. So hopefully those shirts are going to be coming out soon. So smash that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, thanks for the support. We're going to get started with the video. Alright, so for like these headlights, you could do it while it's on the truck or car or whatever it may be. But for these fog lights, as you can see, there's not much space and there's like a hole. So I'm just going to take these out. Hopefully it's not too hard. I'm going to take them out and then do it like on a table off to the side. Alright, so fighting out with the fog light for a couple minutes, trying to get my hand to squeeze through. I finally got it off. We're going to be using this clear gloss. It's going to be non-yellow and UV resistant. That's really important, just so that it don't yellow over time. I'm going to start off with 800 grit. It's probably all I'm going to use and all I'm going to need. I'm going to use this just to scrub it down, whatever is on it right now. Just a quick little wipe down. I'm going to use tape to mask off the back because I don't want to get water in there. That would be terrible. I'm going to use this rag just to wipe it down. And then this to apply the rubbing alcohol before we clear it, just to make sure they're 100% clean. And I do have a bucket of water over there. So that's pretty much all you're going to need besides the tools to get it off. You could do it on the truck, but it's just a lot harder. And you run into the risk of sanding down your paint that's inside that little hole. And you don't want to do that. So I just went with taking it off. So I'm going to show you guys the whole process, how to restore your fog lights. Or any lights of that matter. I mean, it's the same process for every single light. So of course, first you're going to want to get your tape. You're going to want to make sure you get this masked off properly. Just because you don't want to restore your fog lights and make them look nice and then have water in them. I'm going to do next is I'm just going to grab some water. Just a little bit. Kind of scrub this off. Just to kind of get whatever's dirty on it off of it. A good little scrub. You want to wipe it off. As you guys can see, after giving it a good scrub, they're still kind of hazy. The camera doesn't pick it up as well, but we could probably make these look way better. So you're gonna want to get sandpaper that says wet or dry. It's better to do it wet, kind of like wet sanding a car. And you can clear it and it'll look 1,000 times better. I don't have a spray bottle. I can't find my spray bottle, so I'm just going to wet it by using this rag. You want to make sure it's all wet at all times. When you start off with the lower grit sandpaper, you're going to want to start in circles. And once you get to higher grit sandpaper, you're going to want to go back and forth. I'm going to just start going back and forth just because mine aren't too bad. Alright, so after doing that, they're gonna look hazy. That's normal. Don't freak out yet. You should freak out if they don't get better after applying the clear coat. So they're gonna look like that. Now we're gonna apply the clear coat. Hopefully they don't look bad. So as you can see, I already masked it off. I kind of just like half-ass masked it off. I don't really care too much to get some overspray on that surrounding areas, it's just better to try to mask that off to get it on. So now you're gonna want to get your rubbing alcohol. Clean off any grease or anything that's been on your hands or it might have been on the rag. And this also dries a lot faster. You're gonna want to let it dry for maybe a minute or less. It dries really fast. And you can get started with your clear coat. You go ahead and apply your clear coat. You're gonna want to do this thin. It's gonna look kind of like orange peeling. That's fine. As the layers go on, it's gonna look better. So we're gonna let that dry for about, I would say, 5 minutes, and then apply the next coat. After letting this sit for about 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the second coat. Let that sit for a few minutes. Just want to show you guys the big difference that it makes. This is before. That's after, and it's not even done yet. Still need to apply a few more coats. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the third and final coat. That should be good enough. I'm not gonna overdo it too much. You can see they already look way better. This is the after, this is the before. You can see they look way better as it is. You do need to give it about 24 hours for it to be like as clear as possible. So I'm gonna let these sit throughout the day and probably put them back on tomorrow night. Or tomorrow morning actually. So I'll pick up the camera tomorrow morning. It's the next day. I'm gonna be recording another vlog. Today also, I'm just finishing up the last video. So that's why I'm gonna be wearing this shirt in the next video. It's the same day. So we're gonna install these back again. They definitely look 100 times better than what they were. They're not gonna be perfect because they are kind of old. But in the future, I could order new ones if I really wanted to. So let's just get these bad boys installed real quick, just like that. They're back in. If you guys liked this video or enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys want to see.
Oh, fuck.